This lake that you're seeing here right now, this is the westbound I-10 at 43rd Avenue. Numerous cars try to make it through earlier this morning around 4 o'clock. And as you can see, it is a graveyard of cars right now. Please do not enter these areas. Turn around, do not drown. And at this time, traffic is shut down all the way to 51st Avenue. You can see cars over there across the freeway that were going eastbound trying to get to 43rd Avenue, which was open earlier, is now completely shut down.